Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. And even though we don't know when it's going to snow, we think it's going to snow. And so in January, our crafts center around snow. And the very first craft we're going to do comes in a packet that looks just like this. And it has a little Mr. Snowman right here. And that's what you'll get in your packet when you pick it up. When you open it up, you will have this. It says Mr. Snowman, and you're going to finish a story. And you're going to be using adjectives and nouns and verbs and filling in words and making your very own creative story based on Snowman. If you turn it over, you get to practice some math skills. It's double-digit addition. And down here are the answers on all these snowballs. So you work the problems, and if your answer isn't here, you better work it again. And if your answer is here, oh, you're right. So this, keep your skills up, and that's what you're going to do for that. Now, here's our craft. You get a craft stick with a pretty little face. You get a felt scarf, which I already put mine on. You'll get a hat. You'll get an orange nose and 3 glittery buttons for the front. Now, this craft takes some glue. And the first thing I did was I put my little scarf on like this. And I might glue that down a little later if it doesn't want to stay. But the first thing I'm going to do is put my nose on. Now, I will say, do you notice I have all my little pieces on a little plate? That's so they won't get lost and I can see them very easily. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right there. Oh, you see that? I'm going to take this little orange nose and my nose, I'm going to hold it down. My nose is going that way. Then the next thing you're really going to need to do is put a hat, okay? So I'm going to lay him down right here. Can you see him? I think you can. And I'm going to put a little bit more glue right here at the very top. I'm going to be careful because I don't want to make a mess. And I'm going to put my hat on like that. So here's my craft stick. And now it's a snowman. But something's missing here. You're right. The 3 pretty jewels. And this craft stick, I'm going to put 1 dot. I'm going to put 2 dots. And there's the 3rd one. Just a dot will do it. Put that back. Then I'm going to take the glittery jewels and I'll put 1 there. And I'll put 1. Oh, I dropped it. There it is. 1 there. And we have 1 more. And then we have a craft stick snowman. I'm going to move my scarf up a little bit, and you can play with your scarf so that it will fit. You might want to glue it down a little bit. So there's your craft stick snowman. And later on, when all of this dries, you have a red string that you can glue on the back if you wish, and you can make him a Christmas ornament, or you can hang him anywhere you want, or give him away as a gift. So, no, see, better put those back. So I think we're going to have to lay him down to dry so his buttons won't fall off. And when that's finished, put your string on and have a happy snow day.